Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Milady Memecoin. So of course, we're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price, see what really is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As of June 12th, 2023, you guys can see the price is currently sitting at 24,386. Still about 7 zeros in front of the price. We are down about 6% in USD comparative over the last 24 hours, and we're also down 5% in both Bitcoin and Ethereum comparatives over the last 24 hours. But now, if we're shifting our focus towards its market cap, it's still above $20 million, but of course it has decreased a little bit. We're currently sitting at $21.6 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $3.3 million. So now let's shift our focus towards the analysis, see what really is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So looking at the holder count today, of course, we're going to be analyzing the holder count on a daily basis because it kind of gives us a better understanding as to what really is happening, what is the sentiment for the project itself. And as you guys can see right now, seen a little bit of a retracement in terms of the holder count, but that is to be expected. When the prices do retrace a little bit, we do tend to see some holders leaving, and that is organic. That is part of the thing, that's part of the game, and that is something we need to accept. But main thing that I want to point out is that the holder count is still holding above 15,000 holders, so that is a good thing to point out. But now if we're looking at their Twitter, Twitter following is still at 67,000. But I wanted to point something out to you guys, and I'm not sure if this is a good thing, and I will tell you why. So you guys can see Milady posted a picture of photoshopped of Elon Musk and dancing with the Milady Memecoin character, and it says the dynamic duo Elon Musk and ladies set the stage for a powerful synergy of technological breakthroughs. So basically what they're doing right now, again, I'll tell you why I think this is not good, and I'll tell you also why I think this is smart. So the reason as to why I think this is smart is because, if they continue doing this, eventually, again, this is just speculation. Maybe Elon Musk is going to come find it funny, and, he knows that he's tweeted about this logo before, so he could potentially repost this. And if he were to repost any of this, we know that can trigger a massive spike. But the thing that I don't like about this is because everyone is relying too much on Elon Musk. Miladies, at the end of the day, yes, it did kickstart its massive rally because Elon Musk tweeted this, but you need to shift away from Elon Musk. You need to build your own community. If you're just going to be relying on Elon Musk tweet and that never happens, that's only going to make the project worse. So that's one thing I want to point out. Now, once in a while, if they're tweeting this, that is fine. But if they continuously on a day-to-day basis, just keep posting Elon Musk and ladies, I think that is a huge negative, image in my opinion, because that can really drive investors away, especially the ones that understand how things really work, can literally just not want to be dealing with this and look elsewhere. Of course, I believe in Miladies, but I'm going to criticize where I believe they need to do more work on. So let's hope they don't really start posting this picture over and over again in Photoshop of Elon Musk and the ladies character. So that is something I wanted to point out. But now if we're looking at the price, though, on the other hand, $21.6 million market cap. But before we get into the price, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto, so you guys can see this for yourself. Let's look at the hourly time frame and see what really is happening. So we're seeing a little bit of a sideways momentum happening for the price of ladies. We've seen this level of support now playing out for us, which was a level of resistance when we were breaking towards the upside back on June 6th. You guys can see, literally, you cannot make this up right now. We have been supported by this range multiple times. I think 4 times to be exact. 3, and this is the 4th time, or we can even say 5th. So 5 times we've been supported by the June 6th movements towards the upside. So of course that is playing as a level of support, which of course you do want to point out. But right now what we want to be seeing is this guy right here, which is the king of the markets. Bitcoin is in a very, very odd situation right now. Of course, we know a lot of negative uncertainty in the markets right now. A lot of people thinking Bitcoin can go down along with the altcoins, and especially altcoins can get hit even hard because dominance is increasing like never before. So Bitcoin is still very, very close to this June 6th low. If we drop below this, $25K or even $24,000 Bitcoin is on the table. And guess what that does? That can put a sell pressure on ladies along with other altcoins. But with that said, I'm really, really impressed as to how well ladies has held throughout this market momentum. We're not seeing those bullish explosive moves around the crypto space. We're seeing a lot of volatility, but since this June 6th low, we really have seen it hold quite well, and it's still up 31% since then. But now with that said, we're just seeing positive news after positive news. It's really, really important to see ladies hold this support line. If we don't, there is a chance we could drop below $20 million in the immediate short term. Of course, as I mentioned, it all depends on Bitcoin right now. But if Bitcoin starts making its way back up to the 61.8, I think, things can start looking well for the entire market. But also, one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is the entire market sentiment is that Bitcoin will go down. Altcoins will go down, because of the SEC news. But guess what the whales do? They love manipulating. So what if they pump up the price of Bitcoin instead? And that is going to liquidate all the shorts that are piling up right now. So it's very, very interesting as to what really happens. It goes back to what I said just a few days ago. Bitcoin is in a weird spot. It can literally go back to the 61.8 and also go down. Right now, the sentiment, what majority of the people in the market are saying it's going to go down. And what I'm going to be thinking the whales are going to do is they're going to pump it up instead and shake out the people that are bearish right now. So that is what I'm thinking is going to happen. Of course, if we do pump back up into 61.8, I am expecting ladies to react to this, and we could see ladies really retest the June 10th prices, which is a very, very important level. If we break out of there, I do expect ladies to go back to that $40 million market cap. But as of now, we do need to hold that level of support. If we're able to hold that level of support, great. If we lose it, we should be prepared for the price of ladies to drop below $20 million market cap. So, of course, we need to examine the entire markets. Everything is correlated to the price of Bitcoin, and we cannot ignore that. I'm sure everyone is, familiar with this by now, especially the newcomers coming into the markets. But I've said this to you guys from literally day one. If you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, then patience is your number one key to follow. You do not want to be getting shaken out during these times, especially if you think a ladies is going to be way bigger in the next year or 2 years. Then of course patience is your number one key to follow. But that is my current stance as of now, as of today. We do daily analysis. This is why we do daily analysis. But of course, if anything were to change, we'll keep you guys updated, and also let me know if you guys agree with me on this. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.